and welcome to West Bengal Judicial Service Preparation. Hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about the books for judicial preparation. This is a part 2 of the video. There's already in my channel a part 1 of the video. This is a continuation video. I will link the part 1 of this video in the description box. You can go and check it out. Stay tuned with me till end because I have few suggestions for you for the current affairs and the GK preparations. So let's begin today. So first of all, let's start with the major subjects, that is the Criminal Procedure Code, the Indian Penal Code and the Indian Evidence Act. For the Criminal Procedure Code, we have our Bare Acts or the Criminal Manual. Then we have textbook, that is Kelkar. Kelkar is a very beginner friendly book, so you can always go with it and it helps in concept clearing. So I would suggest a first reading of Kelkar is best to start with. Next we have for Indian Penal Code, the Bare Acts and a textbook, that is the KD Gore. I always suggest to have one textbook and to go through the Bare Acts, because reading too much of textbooks and getting ourselves confused is not the thing to pass any comparative examination. To crack the comparative examination, the most important thing we have to focus is on revision. Now let's quickly move on to the next subject, that is the Indian Evidence Act. For Indian Evidence Act, we have the Bare Act or the Criminal Manual, and the textbook that I would like to suggest for the Indian Evidence Act is Batuklal. Now let's move on to the other subjects, that is the Civil Procedure Code, the Indian Contract Act, the Transfer of Property Act and torts. For the Civil Procedure Code, Bare Acts, and for textbook you can refer to Takwani. Next, for the Indian Contract Act, we have the Bare Acts. And for contract and contract 1 and contract 2, I would like to suggest Bangia. Bangia is a very easy book and easy to understand. From there you can make your notes and prepare for your answer writing also. So it's very easy and a lucid language book which is easy to understand. Next we have the Transfer of Property. For Transfer of Property, again we have the Bare Acts and R.K. Sinha. R.K. Sinha is also a beginner friendly book, so you can always go with it and prepare your answer writing from there. Next we have the torts. For torts, again R.K. Bangia. So this is also a very easy textbook you can refer. You can always read a good textbook later, but for beginning, these books I would like to suggest. Clear your concept first and then go for a higher level. Next, guidebooks. Yes, in my earlier video I spoke about guidebooks. In the study material, what we should have with us, that is a guidebook. Now let's discuss what kind of guidebooks should we have. Firstly, there are too many guidebooks available in the market, so you can pick up any one of them of your choice or according to the which state which you are preparing. As I can say, for Universal is good for the West Bengal Judicial Service preparation. Then we have the Singles. There are 4 volumes of Single. If you're preparing for West Bengal Judicial Service, then I think the volume 2 and 4 will be enough, as because the other subjects are not included in the West Bengal Judicial Service syllabus. So you can buy the 2 and 4 volume and prepare from that. Both, I would suggest both for answer writing also and for the MCQs also. Then we have the Pariksha Manthan. It is also best if you want to have a look at the book and prepare your answer or notes from that. You can also go for it. Next we have Lawmans. So it's better to have 4 of them only in the form of that MCQ practice, because it is good to have too many practice for the MCQs to crack your PT. So you can have 4 of them or any of your choices. So these are the basic guidebooks that are available in the market. So you can pick up any of them and start your preparation. Next, Constitution of India. Yes, this is a very important subject everywhere, for PT also, for if you have taken in the optional for Constitution. In other states, Constitution is also a compulsory subject. For West Bengal, you can choose it as an optional subject. And also for the interview also. Too many questions are always asked from the Constitution. So let's quickly check out what books or study materials we can have for the Constitution of India. First of all, Bare Acts, very important. Next, J.N. Pandey. This is also very beginner friendly book. You can read this first and go for any higher level book. Next we have MP Jain. This is elaborate book, you can say so. So first read J.N. Pandey, your concept will get clear. Then go for MP Jain or V.N. Shukla. Okay, now let's move on to the next. So now the best part comes, that is general knowledge and the current affairs. Yes, so let's check. First, my all-time favorite is Lucent. If anyone can read the Lucent, then that person does not need anything for general knowledge at least. So Lucent is good, but if you read it thoroughly. Next is the Chronicles magazines. Chronicles magazines, I would like to refer it for the West Bengal Judicial Service preparation, because lots of question, if you go through the question paper of the West Bengal Judicial Service, then you can see that there in the first portion of the GK paper there are 12.5 marks question, elaborate question writing. There are a few questions about that. So you can take the idea of writing that answer from Chronicles. In the back side of the Chronicle, in the same format, such questions are given. So Chronicles are also very good. Next we can have the Pratyogita Darpan. Yes, that is also good for current affairs. So for preparation of Bihar has a very huge amount of GK and current affairs, but for West Bengal, these three are more than enough. So you can easily crack your examination by having these three handy. Okay. So this was few of my suggestions. There are also some optional subjects which you can take up, or what optional subjects should you take. So that I will discuss in a later video. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Happy watching.